Welcome to today's episode of Daily AI Brief, where we decode the latest advancements in the AI world. From groundbreaking quantum computing innovations to pioneering visualization tools, we cover the spectrum of AI technology that's reshaping industries. Stay tuned as we delve into new tools, security challenges, and strategic insights that empower developers and enterprises alike. Quantum computing holds immense promise, but its credibility depends on trust in its outputs. IBM, in collaboration with the University of Chicago, has made significant strides in this domain by introducing new trust verification techniques. In 3 pivotal experiments, they've demonstrated quantum advantage using IBM's Quantum Heron R3 superconducting system, setting an exciting precedent for future developments. At the heart of this breakthrough is the Tensor Network Error Mitigation, TEM, a sophisticated hybrid quantum classical algorithm. Unlike traditional hardware-bound or algorithm-based solutions, TEM operates entirely at the classical post-processing stage. It constructs a tensor network to represent the inverse of the global noise channel that quantum processors experience, significantly enhancing computational accuracy without additional hardware investment. IBM's efforts are quantified through comparative benchmarks. For instance, their quantum computations have outperformed Japan's Fugaku supercomputer, one of the fastest globally, showcasing a newfound practicality in quantum solutions. This has already attracted over 250 organizations to integrate TEM, underscoring its potential in transforming quantum technologies. However, challenges remain. The claimed quantum advantage demands further peer review for global acceptance. Scalability and generalization across diverse systems also require exhaustive validation. To get started this week, explore TEM through IBM's Qiskit Functions Catalog. Engage with the community via the Qiskit platform for shared insights on implementation strategies. IBM's transparency and dedication to verification not only bolster quantum computing credibility, but also make a compelling case for the technology's industrial adoption. Reflex AI's latest offering, the XY library, pushes the boundaries of data visualization in the Python ecosystem, providing a powerful tool for visualizing and analyzing large datasets in fields like genomics and finance. This innovative library is capable of handling up to an astounding 100 million data points efficiently, setting a new benchmark for performance and capability in data visualization tools. The technical backbone of XY is its remarkable architecture. It strategically utilizes Python for defining charts, Rust for robust data processing, and leverages the browser for rendering and user interactions. This separation into distinct layers allows XY to excel in both performance and scalability, delivering seamless and responsive visualizations. Unlike traditional libraries, which might require deep dives into JavaScript for web-based applications, XY allows Python developers to harness the power of modern web graphics without stepping outside their language of choice. The XY library forms a key component of the greater Reflex framework, an open-source full-stack Python framework with impressive momentum in the developer community, accounting for over 5.3 million downloads on PyPI. The latest updates are frequent, with version 0.9.7 released recently, ensuring the framework remains cutting edge. Despite its promising features, real-world performance testing is critical to substantiate its claims. Developers unfamiliar with Rust might face a steeper learning curve, and comprehensive benchmarks against established tools like SciPy are necessary to evaluate its competitive edge. Similarly, while the library is equipped to handle extensive datasets, its performance on smaller datasets remains to be systematically assessed. For those eager to explore, hands-on experience is facilitated by the detailed documentation available online. Guides on integrating data frames and real data provide practical steps, making it accessible for developers looking to embed this library into their projects. To get started, one can easily install the library via PyPI with the simple command pip install Reflex XY. In conclusion, Reflex AI's XY library not only enhances the capabilities of data-heavy industries by enabling more interactive and insightful analyses, but also stands as a potential game-changer in facilitating the transition towards Python-centric web development. As the community around Reflex continues to grow, the XY library could significantly influence data visualization techniques, making complex data more engaging and accessible. In a notable move for productivity software, Genspark has unveiled its AI-native office suite, GenOffice. Designed to break free from the traditional mold, GenOffice promises an ad-free experience tailored for small businesses on both macOS and Windows platforms. This suite builds on Genspark's reputation by integrating advanced AI elements designed to streamline office tasks, potentially enhancing productivity in ways that traditional suites have not. At the core of GenOffice are AI slides, AI sheets, and AI docs. These tools likely leverage sophisticated models developed through partnerships with AI industry powerhouses like OpenAI and Microsoft. The focus seems to be on automating mundane tasks such as document creation, data analysis, and internal and external communications, areas where AI can markedly reduce time expenditure and error rate if implemented effectively. Furthermore, the suite's compatibility with cloud infrastructure suggests seamless integration and scalability, which are crucial for small businesses looking to optimize operations without major investments in IT infrastructure. However, the competitive landscape poses significant challenges. Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace have deep market penetration, with extensive AI functionalities already embedded in their ecosystems. Both these giants offer services that are continually evolving, backed by years of customer data and feedback. For GenOffice to succeed, it must differentiate itself, not just as a free alternative offering operational efficiency, but also through unique features or capabilities. The open source status of GenOffice is especially pivotal in this differentiation effort. Providing open source access could democratize the technology, fostering a community-driven development model that encourages quicker innovation and customization. Yet uncertainties linger. Despite the promise and potential, key details about GenOffice's launch and feature set remain undisclosed. The lack of official confirmation on its open source status could hinder widespread adoption, as businesses may be reluctant to transition to a tool with an unclear development path and support system. Furthermore, in an environment where software failure and pivoting strategies are common, Genspark must manage expectations and deliver consistent communication about updates and roadmaps. For developers and businesses eager to explore GenOffice, it would be advisable to keep an eye on Genspark's platform for the latest announcements. In the meantime, delving into Genspark's current offerings, like AI slides and AI sheets, could shed light on the suite's potential capabilities. These tools can serve as a testing ground to gauge the effectiveness and integration of AI in daily tasks. If GenOffice fulfills its promises, it might catalyze a shift in how small businesses approach productivity software, emphasizing cost-effectiveness and the advantages of AI-driven enhancements. Success could pave the way for a new era in office solutions, where the balance leans towards community-driven development and enhanced AI utilization, challenging the traditional business models of incumbents. Combinator's latest venture into the open-source world introduces QM, a multiplayer AI agent harness developed to improve team collaboration. Designed for environments like Slack, QM fosters structured interactions between AI agents and human members, positioning itself as a vital tool in collaborative productivity. At its core, QM is engineered with a multi-agent architecture, and that facilitating an enhanced collaborative experience by allowing seamless integration with existing team communication tools, particularly platforms like Slack. This integration means that teams can access real-time interactions, an essential feature for maintaining fluid communication and rapid decision-making within collaborative environments. Additionally, QM's ability to monitor agent performance provides teams with transparency and insight into AI operations, ensuring that the system's contribution to productivity remains visible and manageable. One of the most striking features of QM is its open-source nature, which invites a diverse range of customization opportunities. Developers can tailor functionalities to better fit the unique workflows of their organizations. However, this customization requires technical acumen, and the level of support available might vary. Therefore, organizations need to weigh the benefits of tailored solutions against resource allocation for development and support. While specific benchmarks for QM's performance have not been published, expectations suggest significant improvements in response times during collaborative tasks. The harness is anticipated to address the growing demand for tools that can match the evolving landscape of remote and digital workspace environments. The absence of detailed metrics at this stage leaves room for speculation, but it also opens opportunities for community-driven benchmarking and enhancements. For those interested in deploying QM, practical steps would include exploring the available resources such as the OpenPond and Omnigent platforms, which outline integration processes. Developers should start by experimenting with QM in a controlled Slack environment to assess its impact on collaboration and productivity. However, potential adopters should be aware of the open source trade-offs, such as variable support and documentation quality, which could influence the adoption process negatively. Important considerations also include integration risks and the need for users to possess adequate skills to leverage QM's full potential. Overall, QM has the potential to revolutionize collaborative environments by bridging AI capabilities and human interaction more effectively than ever before. With the right application, it could signal a shift towards more integrated and efficient team operations, making it a potentially invaluable tool for modern enterprise settings. IBM has highlighted the critical need for organizations to adapt performance management frameworks within AI-driven HR environments. Emphasizing the significant reduction of HR support tickets by 75% and operational costs by 40%, IBM showcases AI's transformative impact on HR processes. The company's AI agents, capable of resolving 94% of common HR inquiries, underscore their efficiency in streamlining operations and freeing up human resources for more strategic tasks. However, this integration extends beyond mere technical implementation. A pressing need arises for frameworks that address responsible AI practices, including human oversight and transparency, to ensure ethical decision-making. Transparency about AI data origins, processing, and decision-making pathways is critical, as it cultivates trust among employees who might otherwise be skeptical of AI-driven assessments. IBM's insights reveal the growing necessity for human resources strategic alignment with AI, where the roles of Chief Human Resource Officers, CROs, are evolving in tandem with the emerging prominence of Chief AI Officers. This strategic realignment is evidenced by 76% of organizations having established a Chief AI Officer role, a significant increase from previous years. This demonstrates a shifting emphasis on leadership to effectively guide AI integration into organizational culture and day-to-day operations. To navigate these transformations successfully, organizations should leverage resources like IBM's guidelines on AI implementation, critically assessing their own systems using IBM's provided indicators. Developing a framework for responsible AI practices is not merely advantageous, but essential for maximizing productivity while maintaining employee trust. Such a framework should embed continual assessment for biases and ethical risks, establish clear accountability structures, and facilitate ongoing alignment with the organization's cultural values. Adapting to AI in HR environments can significantly enhance efficiency and employee satisfaction when steered by ethical and transparent practices. Organizations that prioritize these aspects ensure that technological advances benefit both business objectives and employee well-being, thereby aligning with the broader goal of creating an inclusive, efficient, and future-ready workplace. This balanced approach creates a foundation where AI is not seen as a replacement for human capabilities, but as a tool that augments and enriches the human potential within the workplace. Arize AI's latest innovation, Signal, is a noteworthy addition to the Arize AX platform, aimed at optimizing AI debugging in production environments. Officially launched at the prominent Arize Observe 2026 event in San Francisco, Signal is meticulously designed to address and streamline the multifaceted debugging process by clustering failures and performing comprehensive root cause analysis. This advancement is pivotal for enhancing the reliability and performance of AI systems, a critical factor as enterprises increasingly rely on AI-driven solutions. Signal is deeply integrated within the Arize AX platform, which focuses on observability and debugging within a unified workspace. It leverages sophisticated clustering algorithms to identify and categorize patterns of failures, which significantly simplifies the often cumbersome debugging processes. This is particularly beneficial in production settings where pinpointing specific issues swiftly can dramatically reduce downtime, a factor that has crucial economic implications for any business heavily dependent on AI operations. The tool distinguishes itself with features tailored for developer efficiency and system reliability, such as agent-level tracing. This capability allows developers to meticulously track and trace complex interactions within AI systems, ensuring that even minute missteps can be identified and addressed promptly. Furthermore, the integration with Alex AI, a part of Arize's ecosystem, offers contextual support that enhances the debugging process by providing intelligent insights corresponding to the debugging tasks at hand. While specific performance metrics of Signal remain undisclosed, its deployment is expected to significantly reduce response times during debugging sessions. The platform documentation provides extensive resources to aid developers in leveraging Signal effectively. Additionally, the Arize Signal tutorial /arize.com/blog debug production AI agents with Signal tutorial offers a practical guide through the complexities of debugging AI agents, making the integration process intuitive and accessible. Developers and enterprises can expect improved workflows as Signal facilitates a structured approach to debugging by identifying underlying issues quickly. This efficient process not only enhances system reliability, but also potentially reduces maintenance costs and operational risks associated with AI production environments. Moreover, Signal's focus on root cause analysis could steer best practices in AI design and deployment, setting a new industry standard for what comprehensive debugging tools can achieve. As the demand for robust AI systems grows, tools like Signal will likely become indispensable, contributing to safer, more efficient, and reliable AI operations. This launch marks a significant step forward in the evolution of AI debugging, reinforcing Arize AX as a leading platform for cutting-edge AI engineering solutions. In the realm of AI security, NVIDIA has made a significant stride with the launch of SkillSpector, an innovative open-source scanner specifically focused on auditing AI agent skills for vulnerabilities prior to deployment. The tool is meticulously engineered to detect 64 unique vulnerability patterns spread across 16 carefully defined categories. These categories include vital security concerns such as prompt injection, privilege escalation, and data exfiltration. SkillSpector employs a robust two-stage scanning pipeline. Initially, it performs swift static checks, but can be enhanced with optional semantic analysis facilitated by large language models, LLMs. This combination indicates NVIDIA's dedication to settling a comprehensive and nuanced approach to threat detection, capable of uncovering complex vulnerabilities that might escape simpler assessments. SkillSpector's outputs are versatile, making them accessible and usable across various development environments. Users can view results in formats such as JSON, Markdown, and SARIF, with each report detailing a risk score that ranges from 0 to 100. This scoring is accompanied by actionable remediation suggestions, enabling developers not just to identify issues, but to understand and implement solutions effectively. Despite being newly launched, the potential impact of SkillSpector on real-world AI security is promising, yet untested at scale. It presents a compelling proposition for integration within existing development pipelines, such as continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD workflows, thereby promising to significantly augment operational security frameworks. Enthusiasts and developers are encouraged to explore the SkillSpector documentation for comprehensive setup guidance. Running exploratory scans on local directories or within Git repositories provides tangible experience, demonstrating the tool's efficacy and ease of use within various environments. By advocating for proactive risk management through its detailed assessments, SkillSpector positions itself as an indispensable tool in the push toward more secure, responsible AI deployment. This proactive approach not only aims to shift enterprise perceptions, but also strives to embed security within the core development mindset of AI systems. By ensuring such governance, SkillSpector could set new benchmarks in the industry for AI skill security, steering it towards a safer technological future. Pruna's launch of the P-Image-Ideogram marks a significant leap in text-to-image technology, tailored specifically for marketing needs. This model ensures clarity and precise text rendering, transforming the creation of marketing visuals into a faster and more cost-effective process. P-Image-Ideogram's architecture is designed with an emphasis on rapid image generation, achieving results within a second at an unprecedented cost of $0.05 per image. This model addresses a critical gap in earlier technologies where embedded text often appeared distorted or garbled, failing to meet the essential clarity required for marketing. Instead, by focusing on exact prompt adherence, P-Image provides clear and readable outputs, crucial for effective marketing materials where details matter. Technically, the P-Image model utilizes a REST API, which simplifies its integration into existing marketing platforms, enabling real-time design and deployment. This API-driven approach supports a variety of sectors, from social media content creation to product mockups, offering rich customization while maintaining high-quality outputs and fidelity. Such integration ensures that companies can seamlessly embed this powerful tool into their workflows, allowing for innovative applications that can meet the fast-paced demands of digital content creation. However, the model's adaptability to complex or abstract prompts and varying creative demands presents a potential challenge. Its performance depends significantly on the complexity of the text prompts, as well as the diversity of the training data. Compared to other established models like Ideogram, P-Image's efficacy in handling diverse textual prompts and maintaining quality is still being evaluated, necessitating thorough real-world testing by marketers. For marketers eager to leverage the power of P-Image, accessing the extensive API documentation is an essential first step. Experimenting with a variety of prompts can reveal the model's capabilities and limitations in rendering text clearly. Pruna provides examples and detailed use cases on their platform, offering valuable insights and a framework to guide effective implementation. In the domain of visual marketing, P-Image-Ideogram presents a paradigm shift with its speed and affordability. By democratizing access to high-quality generative imagery, this tool can significantly enhance how businesses engage audiences in an increasingly digital landscape, potentially setting new standards in visual marketing strategies. Introducing World Action Models, WAMs, NVIDIA is reshaping the landscape of robotic manipulation, unlocking unprecedented adaptability and agility in unstructured environments such as homes, warehouses, and beyond. Unlike existing vision-language-action (VLA) methodologies, WAMs are engineered to forecast and respond to future world states through an innovative joint learning approach, advancing the capabilities of AI in robotics. WAMs are distinctively trained on large-scale video data, sourced from both human interactions and diverse internet videos. This robust dataset enables WAMs to create a complex, internalized representation of physical dynamics, empowering robots to generalize across a broad spectrum of tasks without the need for extensive retraining. This new paradigm allows robots to translate textual instructions, visual cues, and current robotic states into actionable outcomes effectively, culminating in real-time adaptability to dynamic and unpredictable situations. The technical hallmarks of WAMs lie in their ability to integrate a vision-language subtask planner. This component refines action synthesis, ensuring that robots can execute tasks with minimal human intervention, thus promoting efficiency and reducing operational costs. Additionally, WAM's capacity to operate effectively without task-specific datasets highlights their potential scalability and practicality in diverse applications. This progression is facilitated by NVIDIA's Cosmos World Foundation models, which set the foundational stage for WAM integrations and paved the way for practical deployments. However, the generalization capabilities of WAMs across diverse tasks remain an area of ongoing research, as do the challenges in integrating these models with existing robotic systems. Benchmarks comparing WAM's performance to traditional models are still developing, but the potential for improvement in complex, real-world environments is significant. Developers keen on diving deeper into these advancements can access NVIDIA's technical resources, such as their comprehensive blog detailing the evolution of WAMs, along with the groundbreaking DSWAM model research, which offers insights into fine-grained robotic manipulation. By offering a new vision of robotic autonomy, WAMs promise to catalyze significant transformations in sectors that demand adaptive solutions, such as logistics, healthcare, and manufacturing. They herald a future of more responsive and versatile robotic systems, capable of redefining automation standards and impacting service delivery across various industries. Liquid AI's latest release, the LFM 2.5 encoders, marks a significant advancement in the field of natural language processing, NLP. These encoders are designed to dramatically enhance the capabilities of various applications through their innovative features. At the forefront is the LFM 2.5 8B A1B model, which boasts an astonishing 8.3 billion parameters and a context window of 128K. This makes it exceptionally well-suited for high-volume and complex NLP tasks. A key technological breakthrough in this release is the employment of the Mixture of Experts (MOE) architecture. This design helps in optimizing resource utilization by selectively activating only the necessary parameters for each input. By doing so, the model not only increases computational efficiency, but also adapts well to consumer hardware, enabling effective on-device execution. This is particularly vital for applications requiring local tool calling and structured outputs, making the models ideal for workflows involving task automation and interactive agents. While direct performance benchmarks for the LFM 2.5 series are not extensively detailed, its capacity for handling multilingual tasks is a highlight. Supporting 11 languages, these encoders enhance search functionalities and improve real-time application responsiveness. Such capabilities are crucial for industries aiming to deploy multilingual search and interactive applications globally. Developers keen on leveraging the potentials of these models can explore them via platforms like Hugging Face. The open weights provided allow for customization and integration into local applications using the provided APIs, offering a new layer of flexibility and innovation potential. Despite the technological advancements, there are some trade-offs and limitations. The commercial licensing terms under the LFM Open License v1.0 are somewhat ambiguously defined, which could affect adoption among businesses. Additionally, while designed for consumer hardware, exact computational resource requirements are not specified, which might pose challenges for deployment on less powerful devices. The LFM 2.5 encoders represent more than just a technological achievement. They signify a shift in how high-performance NLP can be accessible without dependency on cloud-based solutions. This local inference capability could lead to faster response times and broader adoption in industries needing real-time solutions, potentially reshaping the landscape of NLP and expanding the possibilities for multilingual applications across global markets. As enterprises increasingly integrate AI technologies into their operations, the focus on security governance becomes paramount. Alarmingly, 97% of organizations with AI-related security breaches lack sufficient access controls, highlighting a severe gap in their security postures. This lack of governance not only leaves companies vulnerable to data breaches, but also substantially increases their financial liabilities. The IBM 2025 Cost of a Data Breach report provides a stark perspective on the financial implications, revealing an average cost of $4.63 million per incident. Importantly, unauthorized AI tool usage, often referred to as shadow AI, can add approximately $670,000 to these costs. These figures underscore the necessity for robust security frameworks that prevent unauthorized access and usage of AI systems. Enterprises must prioritize the establishment of comprehensive governance frameworks. Such frameworks should delineate clear ownership responsibilities within AI projects and emphasize the need for regular audits. The implementation of strict access controls is crucial, as these measures not only secure data, but also ensure that AI tools are used in compliance with organizational policies. Continuous monitoring is another critical component. With the EU AI Act mandating continuous oversight, it's clear that regulatory pressures are mounting. Organizations are therefore encouraged to leverage automated tools to track AI deployment and associated risks, ensuring any unauthorized activities are quickly identified and rectified. Training programs focusing on the risks of shadow AI are essential. Employees must be educated on the potential dangers of using unauthorized AI tools, which not only pose security risks, but can also degrade the integrity of organizational data. Such awareness can mitigate the risks of internal threats, which often arise from benign ignorance rather than malicious intent. Despite these recommendations, organizations face significant trade-offs. Balancing rapid innovation with comprehensive security measures can be challenging, as traditional governance models may not adequately address the dynamic and evolving nature of AI technologies. By adopting comprehensive governance protocols that incorporate risk assessments, continuous monitoring, and employee education, businesses can not only avert financial and reputational disasters, but also foster an environment of trust and innovation. This strategic approach not only ensures compliance with regulations, but also strengthens stakeholder confidence, thus positioning organizations to thrive in the AI-enhanced future. That wraps up today's episode of Daily AI Brief. From innovations to security challenges, the AI landscape continues to evolve, offering new tools and insights. Stay curious and keep exploring these technologies to harness their full potential. Join us next time for more updates. And don't forget to subscribe to keep your AI knowledge fresh.